And instead of typing it, press Control semicolon. Who wouldn't once you learn how to do it? Not exactly logical, but it's fast, it's easy. The date that you put in there is the current date. This is at the time of this recording, so that's why we're seeing this. It does not change, it does not adjust unless you alter the cell's content. It's simply a shortcut for typing. I also use it in a different sense. If I'm putting in another date and maybe it's similar or not that far different, I might press Control semicolon and then with the mouse change or highlight this or that one. Maybe this is the 27th, something like that. It's going to make that a lot faster as well. Maybe less useful, but in some environments important. The current time, and this is Control Shift semicolon. And that's 1:19 p.m. in this case. This too, as with the date, doesn't change unless you alter content of a cell. It's just a shortcut for typing. There are other ways to put in dates and times to make them dynamic, but these are simply good, quick, easy to use shortcuts for entering either the current date, that's Control semicolon, or the current time, Control Shift semicolon.